They say each city has a story to tell, while Mumbai has plenty of these stories. The old streets, heritage homes, the skyscrapers, and the busy markets. Each area has its own character, its own pace of life. Hi, I'm Ridhima, Program Manager for Mumbai at PropSoch, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the areas in the western suburb like Bandra, Santa Cruz, Vile Parle, and Andheri, and help you understand what life seems like in these areas and briefly also talk to you about the real estate market here. This belt is one of the most active residential corridors in the city and is in strong demand from both end users and investors. We'll be walking you through the neighborhoods and explaining to you what the connectivity, daily experience, and overall market behaviors look like. So let's start with Bandra first. Bandra has always been Mumbai's most recognizable neighborhood, and that happens because of its strong location. On one side is the sea, and the other side is BKC, which is a major business district. Connectivity is great here. The Bandra-Worli Sea Link connects it to South Mumbai, and the upcoming Coastal Road extension and the Metro Line 2B will make travel even smoother. In terms of lifestyle, Bandra offers a variety of cafes, restaurants, shopping areas like the Linking Road and Hill Road, and public promenades like Bandstand and Carter Road. Real estate in Bandra is on the premium side, with prices on carpet area ranging from 55,000 per square feet and going up till a lakh per square feet. You will find a mix of apartments, bungalows, and sea-facing homes here. The prices are high here, and we know that the current infrastructural changes happening in and around, as well as the slum, make livability a problem today. But the next 5 to 10 years will see the change and a massive appreciation. With upcoming projects like the Bandra Bay development and the Coastal Road extension for Bandra Versova, will make livability and connectivity better. Bandra West, especially the reclamation, is now seeing well-known developers like Hiranandani, Oberoi, Godrej coming up with residential projects in this area. These are mostly going to be luxury sea-facing apartments. Whereas the east, areas like Kalanagar already have projects like Adani 10 BKC, Kalpatru Magnus, and etc., which offer you a proximity to BKC and the upcoming High Court. While Bandra is still a very desirable location for luxury living, it still needs an infrastructure boost to retain its livability and uprise. Now we move to Santa Cruz, a suburb that gives you easy access to the city without being right in the middle of the busy parts. It is a mix of residential charm as well as practical convenience. Santa Cruz is split in two parts. The east, which connects you directly to BKC and the airport, and the west, which is quieter streets, boutiques, cafes, and tree-shaded lanes. Schools like Podar and St. Teresa and hospitals like Surya and Nanavati are what make it convenient for the family. The proximity to Bandra and Juhu also adds to a lifestyle appeal. Moving further ahead, we have Vile Parle, which is known as the education and cultural hub of Mumbai. It has well-known institutions like NMIMS, Mithibai, and Sathe, which attract a lot of students and young professionals. Over the years, Vile Parle has managed to keep its community feels alive, with small eateries, local markets, and community spaces managing to reflect its traditional values. Vile Parle is also home to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport, and now with the new Aqua line in place, traveling across the city has become convenient. Commuting to areas like BKC, Andheri, and other major business hubs is extremely convenient now. From a real estate perspective, Vile Parle has a mix of old bungalows, traditional societies, and mid-rise apartments. While it is a dense suburb, properties here are still in steady demand. While families appreciate the school and safety, young professionals and investors are drawn towards the rental potential. Prices here tend to be in the range of 40 to 45,000 per square feet, offering long-term value due to the location and current infrastructure. Lastly, we come to Andheri. Although Andheri today is known for its huge traffic bottlenecks and overburdened infrastructure, but the upcoming new projects are surely going to make a difference. The Western Express Highway, International Airport, and all the metro lines present here make connectivity to various parts easy. And Andheri West, which is more residential and a favorite location for people from the entertainment industry, and areas like Lokhandwala and Yari Road buzzing with a lot of activity. Prices in Andheri West range in about 3 to 5 crores for a 2 and 3 BHK typically, whereas in the Andheri East they are more affordable with 2 and 3 BHK starting at around 2 to 3 crores. Rental demand is strong, especially near the areas around the business hubs and the airport, giving investors a great opportunity. Whereas due to the great supply and demand in this micro market, it becomes one of the most sought after areas in the western suburbs. These 4 micro markets play a really important role in shaping the residential demand in the western suburbs, and each of them has something unique to offer. Bandra for its location and lifestyle, Ville Parle for its community and education, Santa Cruz for its convenience, and Andheri for its connectivity. Tell us in the comments below which are the areas that you would want us to break down further, and we'll dive right in. If you're someone who's generally interested in knowing about the Mumbai real estate market, you can schedule a call with us from the link given in the description below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification if you want more updates like this.